Hey y'all, I'm back in the kitchen with Teresa and Eddie. What's the name of this video now? I started out with quarantine cooking, calling it quarantine cooking. But has the name gotten changed along the way?
Yeah.
I think I've asked y'all before.
We called it Love and Best Dishes.
Love and Best Dishes. Okay.
Best Dishes. Paula Deen's Best Dishes. They actually helped us with the name. Different people said
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, thank y'all. I still love quarantine cooking because we'll never forget being quarantined.
Yeah.
I mean, it was like no other.
And it was quarantine cooking.
Quarantine cooking. Oh, I like that. Well, Bubbles, our friend, sent me a recipe, and she said, she sent it to Teresa and said, tell Paula to make this salad. It is so good and it's so easy. And when I make things like this, my kids look at it and say, oh, Mama, you making some of them geriatric salads, I see. But, you know, yes, I am. And I happen to like geriatric salads. In fact, I liked them when I was not a geriatric person. And my mother made something similar to this every Christmas. But this is a good bit different from Mama's. So this is real easy, y'all. You need a 16-ounce carton of cottage cheese. And Bubbles told me that this works real good if you're trying to cut the calories, that it works just as well with that fat-free stuff or something. I'd rather just cut my portion and give me the good stuff. All right, let's see. I'm gonna use a 3.4, I think it's
already a
3 ounce, 3 ounce package of lime gelatin. So we're going to stir that together. Oh, I just love the lime. The congealed salad that Mama made at Christmas was a lime and a lemon, and it was so good.
I was reading some of the comments we asked, like what other flavors they might would like to see on those orange blossom and lemon blossoms.
Yes.
And someone brought up a key lime one, which I bet would be good.
Ooh, let's do it.
And then cherry would be good too.
And you can buy the key lime juice. You can buy it.
Yes.
Maybe we can ask Michael to bring us some back from Key West.
Key limes, yeah.
Yep, Michael's in Key West. Eddie is back in place. And me and Teresa, we ain't been nowhere. We don't get to go nowhere.
We haven't been anywhere.
All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is use a 20 ounce, this is a 20 ounce can of crushed pineapple, and Bubble says to drain it slightly. So we have called ourselves draining it slightly. And we're just gonna fold that in. This is so dadgum simple, isn't it? And the beauty of this one is you don't have to put it in a mold or anything like that. This will just be a spoon up and a cup of nuts. You know what? There's not many left. So we'll just get rid of them all. Get done with that one. All right, and then the last ingredient that we're gonna put in is 1 8-ounce tub. I think this is 8 ounce.
No, it's a little bit bigger than that. I want to say
Well,
it's like
I don't
12
even
ounces.
see it. Let's see. Oh, there it is. 8 ounces, yeah. An 8-ounce container of your frozen whipped topping.
And look what's even better. It's no cleanup because unless you save
look.
you save the plastic cartons, which a lot of people do, it's all.
I do save these because they just work out real good, yeah.
But it all goes. There's no bowls.
So I think children would like this, don't you? Kind of like a dessert. Yes. And if you don't have the frozen whipped topping and you got fresh cream, you could take 1 cup of fresh cream and 1/4 cup of sugar and make your own 8-ounce carton of topping. Look at that. You know, I used to make, I hadn't made it in years, like a heavenly salad or something like that. That's much like this.
With marshmallows.
Yes,
Yeah.
it had marshmallows.
Yeah.
What was the name of that salad?
I don't know. I don't know that I've ever had it.
Oh, I got it somewhere. It's somewhere rattling around up in there.
The pineapple.
Seems like it had pineapple in it.
You could put marshmallows in that too.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it kind of set. And then we'll come back and enjoy some of this. This needs to be a little bit thicker, y'all, but it's good enough to taste. So good. Reminds me of my mama. You could take this and add marshmallows to it, coconut, you know, whatever you can come up with. In Mama's recipe, I always took maraschino cherries and chopped them up because a little bit of red is pretty. It's delicious. It's delicious. Go geriatric salads. There's a lot of us baby boomers out there appreciating our salads. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.